वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू द वीडियो। आई होप यू गाइज आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। बहुत दिनों बाद ये वीडियो आई है। द रीजन वाज आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द न्यू शॉल्स टू अराइव। अभी वर्कशॉप में आई है, सो आई थॉट आई शुड कवर अप इन दिस वीडियो। तो चलिए देखते हैं, लेट्स गो टू द शॉल डिटेलिंग। The basic feature of the shawl starts with unconventional design Purmatan Jamawar shawl, which have borders at two decorated ends and center displaying a total 24 offset rows with 16 and 17 different blossoms in each row. Overall color combination of the shawl is much pretty and beautiful karigari has been done on the shawl. The highly stylized end of the shawl comprises of flower pots from which stems, petals and many flowers are coming out. And meander is used for casing a flower pot from top. Maximum area is covered by different type of flowers, colorful leaves and stems. Detailing of the shawl. The basic feature of the shawl starts with a center displaying a total 24 offset rows and 19 and 20 alternate buta in each row. Pattern and design of the shawl looks more intricate when it is draped on the shoulder. The design is imitated from antique Jaipuri shawl which is now extinct and is unavailable in the market. Rarely it is in stock with the antique dealers, and when available it goes like hotcake. Pricing difference between antique and new pashmina shawl is huge due to the technicalities involved and the tremendous work that is never going to be repeated. This shawl is a beautiful top-notch and an imitation of old Kani antique Purmatan shawl. This shawl comprises of 10 offset large buta rows from the central display and 10 and 9 alternate large buta in a particular row. Magenta and purple color blossoms can be seen inside buta, and the combination of different colored and multiple blossoms make it more beautiful. Such shawls take almost 10 to 11 months to get launched into the market. This embroidery technique is so complex but an outcome of intensive hard work, passion and perseverance. Basic detail of this shawl. Pashmina shawl comprises of highly decorated border at their two ends and the center displaying is completely empty. Such shawl can easily drape and taken off the shoulder. This shawl is much lighter than the overall embroidered clothes, which makes it more easy to carry on shoulder. Now another shawl is similar to above specimen but differ in size and design. The border width is narrow and small flowers filled with red, yellow and orange color looks more beautiful in composition with the black base. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. My WhatsApp details are shared below. You can visit and check the profile with catalog. अभी के लिए फिलहाल इतना ही रखते हैं. Please take care, be safe and secure. अलविदा, bye bye.